This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carpenter. Welcome to the most popular floor plan in the community, the Arthur Rudenberg Bimini, with all the must-haves: 4 beds, 3.5 baths, den, 3-car garage and golf course views beyond. You are greeted with a formal living room with coffered ceilings, fireplace and ceramic tile flooring. Gourmet kitchen, dry bar with wine chiller, granite counters and solid wood 42 inches cabinets. Family room has custom built-in entertainment center with custom Hunter Douglas shades and sliders opening to the pool deck beyond. Spacious master bedroom with updated master bath west/raised new granite counters and sinks. Den has custom built-ins. 3 guest bedrooms on the opposite side of home, rear guest bedroom with pool bath, front 2 guest bedrooms with Jack and Jill bath. Some specific updates are all baths, new roof in 2019, new AC, new hot water heater in 2021, pool heater in 2020, and all new stainless appliances in kitchen in 2016. Pool refinished and new pavers. Your new home awaits. Pelican Landing sits on 2,400 acres west of US 41 and nestled along Estero Bay. 34-acre private beach island, 12 tennis courts, canoe and kayak park and 36 holes of championship golf with golf and social memberships. For more information, review the details below.